Good, sometimes I don't. Hey, no. I finesse down Western Road. Hey, next. Might go down to G.O.D. Wait. I go hard on Southside. Wait. I make sure that Northside eat. And still, bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me.
Hi guys, I hope that you are having an awesome day. My eyebrows look kind of like what is going on, but not about my brows. But today's video is gonna be a collaboration with a lot of girls. I'll put all their names down below and the channels and stuff like that. Our collaboration is gonna be Disney collab, so anyone can create whatever they desire, but it has to be like Disney themed. So if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to tap that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Let's get into the video. Basically, I want to do Belle as my Disney theme because, you know, everyone's doing what I like to do. So I was going to do Ariel, but I was like, everyone's been doing a lot of Ariel. So I'm just, you know, I'm just going to do something different. I'm just going to do Belle. And mostly like 99% of people are doing like Ariel, probably. Ariel is just like my inspiration when I was a kid. That's why I wanted to do it, but I'm just gonna like do something else. Prime my face and everything, so I'm gonna do just like brows and such. Make this video so that I can get it out of the way because your girl wants to be on top, you know. So I got all like my utensils in here. I kind of like organize my stuff. Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna be doing voice overview. I just forgot to mention about this, and I did my makeup today. It looks so cute, sort of. Kind of dark, but it's okay. Yeah, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to use is this brush for my brows, and then use my NYX brow kit. I just like using this a lot just to fill in my brows with a gel, and then just keep doing the same thing. And then I use this eyebrow thing. It's from Ardell. It's like a very inexpensive one for the brows. I just use this to fill in my brows more, and I like it a lot. And then I use my Cosmetics for the brows, and then I went to my Collab by Belle eyeshadow palette, and then I used this eyeshadow color as my base, and I used my brush from BH Cosmetics, and just keep doing the same thing. And then I used the white thing, it's like a silver shimmer kind of color, and I use it at my inner corners, and then just keep doing that. It looks pretty cute, I think. Get that highlight. And I use my Juvia's palettes, and I use this like a copper kind of brown on my eyes, and it looks really cute. It has like that nice shimmer to it, and just, you know, keep doing the same thing with the other eye. And I use this yellow goldish kind of color from Juvia's palette. I don't know the name exactly, so don't come after me, you know. And then I just keep doing the same thing, you know, just brush it with it's like a yellow gold color. I'm just trying to match what the picture looks. I'm trying, guys. But yeah, it looks like this. It's not too bad. And then I use my Morphe palette and use this like a brown color right there, and then just use that in like up my eyes, like trying to do a crease, but not really. I'm just trying to make like a little bit like a smoky effects, and then just keep blending and more blending, because the more you blend, it pretty much look good. Because if you don't blend that much, it won't look great, because, you know, we're all about that blending, you know. And it looks like that. And I use this white thing and go back to the same inner corners to make it nice and bright with my eyes. And then I use this brown color, and then I'm gonna try that at the end of my eyes just to have that smoky effect. I'm just trying to look like the picture. And I use this white thing, it's like a peachy color, and put it underneath my brows to kind of have that nice highlights. And just keep doing the same thing. And I use this color as well, and then just go over it on my eyelids. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And then I use my Revlon liquid eyeliner. I was so focused, guys. I don't know if it was good or not, but I tried, you know. So I just keep doing the wing and everything, and I took off the tape, and it looks like this. It was kind of messy, but I fixed it. So I use this spray just to wet my eyes, and I go with the concealer from Ulta. I forgot what the color it was. Next time I'll do like a get ready with me, and then talk to you guys what I'm using, because this is so hard sometimes. So I'm just gonna blend it with this brush from Target, and then yeah, just keep blending it all together, make it nice. And I use my BH Cosmetics foundation. It looks kind of messy, But I'm doing the same thing and just go underneath my eyes so it looks nice and stuff. So yeah, just keep doing the same thing with the other brush. And then yeah, it looks like this. I use my Ulta Minerals powder. I'm just trying to use different products this time because I always use something like the same products every time I use a video, so I'm just trying to mix it around. And I use my Naked Cosmetics highlighter and just go underneath my cheeks and everything like that. I use the powder as well on my chest so like I can have the same coverage. And I use my Profusion contouring palette. It can be with anything really. I really like this. I got it from TJ Maxx like a while ago, and it looks like this. And then I use my Tarte blush, just a little bit, just like, you know, mix it all around and do the same thing with the other cheeks. So it looks really cute. I really like how it turned out on my cheekbones. So yeah, it looks like this, so pretty. And then I use my Ulta mascara. Of course, you have to have your mascara. And then I just use the lash thing to curl my lashes because I don't have the fake ones right now. And then I have this eyeliner just to go underneath my waterline. It looks pretty good. And then do the same thing there. It looks nice. Yep. So once I'm done, I use the liquid lipstick from Ofra, and I got it from Ipsy. I just woke it up, that's why I'm like talking like this. But it looks like this lipstick. It looks so cute. Okay, so basically this is my makeup look. This is what I created for the princess look. But I hope that you guys like this makeup look. I tried this lipstick. I think it matches the picture, but this is basically the picture I'm trying to represent. The picture doesn't go the way I want it to, but you know, I try. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out all the girls down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I finesse down Western Road. Hey, next. Might go down to G-O-D. Yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G. Yeah, wait. I make sure that Northside E.